What's up, everybody? My name is Jaden, and today we're gonna be doing YouTuber Pancake Art. So here's all the ingredients we're gonna need for 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 the art, guys. And I'll see you guys when we're done. When we're done.
Oh, show them the ingredients.
So we got pancake mix over here.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta have cups for this tablespoon, and we got 1 cup. We have a big bowl over here, and we have a bowl over here. We have 2 eggs, vegetable oil. We have measuring cup. We have food coloring, and here are a bunch of squeeze bottles also. So I'll see you guys after we're done mixing. So we scoop 4 cups into the bowl of pancake mix.
Now?
And now all we're gonna need is some cold water and one third two and a third cups of cold water, because we use 4 cups of it.
Okay. Okay.
Now I put 2 cups and a 1/3 cups inside of the bowl with the mix. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it all up until the mix.
Oh, what else will you put in there?
Yeah, and then after it's mixed, we're gonna put this vegetable oil and then these 2 eggs.
Okay.
In the bowl.
Okay. Do it.
All right, guys. So we have the mix. The mix is ready, and then all we're gonna do is put 2 eggs, and then maybe 2 half tables, maybe 1.
Yeah, just put one.
Maybe
Not
1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Because
okay, do it.
we're using 2 eggs, but it says we're using 2 eggs because we used 4 cups.
Open, just open it. Open.
I can't.
Just open it. That's okay. Okay, good.
I need a walk. Alright, guys, I have separated colors into bowl, and now we're gonna put these food colors in there, and then I'll see you guys after we put them into the bottle.
Okay.
Alright, guys, so I'm mixing these colors up, and I'm gonna see you guys what I'm gonna do when for all of it. So I'm mixing all of these colors, guys, all together to make it look alike. So that, because we're gonna use these for the art, guys. And I'll see you guys when I mix everything.
There you go.
Alright, guys, so we're done mixing all the food color, and we put them in these squeeze bottles. So here's what the colors that we have: orange, white, teal, black, red, and green. So let me make teal look a little bit more. All of these bottles kind of look full to you guys, don't they? Huh? Yeah. Okay. So but they're not even full, guys. But they look. So we're gonna now start making the pancakes now. We're now gonna make Sluggo's logo. So I googled the logo, and if you don't know what Sluggo's logo looks like, here's what it looks. You could call him Sluggo Man if you would like to. Yeah, that should be fine. First, we have to make this backwards. So, alright. So we're gonna need, okay. Okay. And then,
That's too big, anak ko.
okay, and then the eyes. Okay, now we're gonna need the white. At least I think I have everything for the logo. Okay, now okay, now we're got. Then next I'm gonna think we're gonna need the orange.
Put it higher, huh?
Okay. All right. And now we're gonna need this side for the orange.
Then,
Okay, now we're gonna fill the slug with blue. It's gonna be teal. Though. Alright guys, now we're gonna fill now we're gonna fill everything with red.
not too big, not too big. Just around it. Okay. Fill it around.
Alright guys. So we're now cooking the pancake, and I'm gonna see you guys when we're gonna flip. Maybe 1 minute for it to cook. Alright guys, we're ready to flip up this baby, and and mom's here for help to flip it around. I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna show you guys. So she's getting all the sides. It's getting all the edges to stick out, guys. And I'm gonna